Bibbidi-Bobbidi-Boo.
So today I'm embroidering my logo on a pencase, which I am going to give away because it would be too expensive to sell. So my philosophy is better making no money than few money. Which doesn't make sense, but let's go. Before, let me give you a little bit of background. I am not an expert at all in embroidery. I started embroidery 2 weeks ago because I have this old shirt, which actually was my mother's shirt that she wore when she was pregnant of my sister. And since this shirt is almost 30 years old, it has a hole on a sleeve. I could have just gone to a store to buy a new one. Instead, I decided that I wanted to keep this shirt and I made an eye to cover the hole. But the eye was really lonely, so I decided to make some friends for him, other eyes, and a branch climbing up the sleeve, because I find pleasure in complicating my life. So now back to embroidering my logo. I've already traced the image on fabric with a pencil and I've set my hoop. All you need to do is put that thread on the needle, make a knot at one end and start embroidering. You just go up and down until you feel the whole image. This process can take quite a lot of time, but I think it's super relaxing. It's almost like knitting. You have to try this yogurt by Müller, it's so good. Though I've tried knitting before and I think that embroidery is more creative and more fun. I like that you have much more freedom to do what you like.
So this is love. So this is what makes life divine. I'm all aglow. And now I know the key to all heaven is mine. My heart has wings and I can fly.
If you want to enter the giveaway and win this plexiglass and copper rings oblique pen holder I made, this hand embroidered pen case, and this plexiglass and copper rings pen rest I also made. All you have to do is go to the link in the description box below and you'll find all the instructions in my Instagram profile. I hope you enjoyed this 3 minutes video, which took me 1 day to make and 1 day to edit. Hello everyone, today I'm embroidering my logo. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, today I'm embroidering my logo on a pen case. Hello everyone. I can't say hello everyone, alright? Hi there. Much better. Hi there. Hi there. Haha.